Hi guys, and welcome to today's episode of the vlog series. Today we're going to give you 5 questions about the new skilled worker visa, which replaced the Tier 2 visa as of 1st December 2020. Okay, so there's not actually a huge difference between the old Tier 2 general visa and the new skilled worker visa when it comes to doctors. The main difference, of course, is if you're coming from the EU where you wouldn't have previously had to make a visa application at all, now you will need to. For doctors from outside of the EU that have been migrating in, as they always were, the only difference is that instead of choosing Tier 2 General, you'll now choose Skilled Worker when you make your application. And within that, there is still a question that says, are you eligible for a health and care visa? At which point you need to state yes, and everything else will remain pretty much the same. Yes, you will still benefit from the cheaper price of £232 under the health and care visa for you and your dependents for an up to 3-year visa. Yes, the immigration healthcare surcharge is still covered under the health and care visa, so you won't need to pay that for you or your dependents when making your application, provided you have that note on your certificate of sponsorship that says you're eligible and you choose the correct route when applying for your skilled worker visa. The process for your dependents is still exactly the same, so you'll now apply for them as dependents on your skilled worker visa rather than dependents on your Tier 2 general visa. So the rules on maintenance have not changed. You will still need to make sure that maintenance is either ticked on your certificate of sponsorship for you and your dependents, or alternatively, make sure you've got around £1,000 in your bank account covering the last 3 months so that you can show that when making your application. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any further questions about the skilled worker visa when you're making your application, please do get in touch. As always, we'll put the contact details up at the end of the video.